Alright guys, I got a flat tire as you can see right here. And I was gonna get switched out. I still might, but I'm gonna try to use this stuff right here that just came in. Alright guys, thanks to someone in the group, basically told me like, hey, get some fucking flat out and try this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put this right about here. Got all this off. Now the main things you wanna do is, they say you wanna put it at about 3 o'clock position on the flat out thing. Other videos I've seen, they tell it to put up here. I'm pretty sure it's just high enough that it goes down, because I'm sure you're gonna fucking have to spin this. This is a valve stem remover. Okay guys, it is working. I just wasn't sticking it in far enough. Boom, there it comes. There it is, guys. All right, it says, tug gently to remove this, blah, blah, blah. Attach hose to valve stem, firmly squeeze back and install sealant. Replace valve core. Yeah, the tire's pretty much deflated. All right, it says about a quarter of a bag for dirt bike tires. This is basically a dirt bike. Alright, now that we got the stem cap back in, because I just screwed it back in, as you can see, I'm going to just spin this. Okay, now let's try to pump this son of a bitch up. Tire already has a little of lot rot on it from just sitting flat for so long. Well, start at 36 psi. We'll just stop it at 34. Now, if it stays at 34 overnight, then this stuff works. If not, then it's a waste of fucking money. Put that little cap back on, and hopefully this stays sealed now. The only other way you can do is figure out where the hole is you kind of sprinkle water over the tire, and whatever starts pissing out air where it hiss, you'll know. Rolling this back and forth, kind of get the stuff to calibrate in the tire, get that flat out, that little flat part of the tire out of there.
I see.